Welcome back to episode 3, guys. RSVPs that actually work. Most RSVP tools give you a form and call it done. We give your guest a real experience and give you control over every detail. Let's talk about privacy. Every Bazaar event is either public or private. Private means guests need an invitation. They find their name from a lookup form and RSVP that way. Public means anyone with the link can RSVP and add themselves. You can flip this back and forth as much as you like. Now, in order to get RSVPs, you need to send the information out. There are multiple ways to share RSVP information. You can copy a link, or you can send an invite to all of your guests. They'll receive a text or email. We also have the QR code option. You can have one QR code, or you can send a QR code to all of your guests and determine how long that QR code is valid for. Then you also have the embed option. So you can add a Bazaar RSVP form to any website you have, be it Zola, Wedding Wire, you name it. We give you the option to do it inline, pop-up, or like a form element. Here for the guest experience, the RSVP page is pretty straightforward. You search for your name, you see your party, and you respond. Here we see Rebecca has herself, her husband, and her 2 children. She's able to add a response for each guest in her party. She can get granular for dietary restrictions and accessibility, or if they're not applicable, she can just select their response. If your event does not have a menu, we simply don't show the menu section. But if your menu has some options, we allow your guests to choose options for each and every single guest in their party. We make it simple to copy selections over for adult guests. So here we see Jeff has a bit of a tweak. He wants the Marcus drink. And then for the children, they see the kids menu. Here, you can do the same thing as the adults. Select the meals for them and also copy it across different children. If you set them up, your guests will be able to select how they know you. Upon submission, they receive a text and/or email with their RSVP response and a link to edit if necessary. Send the link, share the QR code. You did your part. But what happens when half your guests just don't respond? We'll talk about that in episode 4, reminders and messaging. See you there.